You uploaded the exact same video to TikTok and Instagram. TikTok looks crisp, and Instagram looks like you shot it through a potato. Same file, same phone, same Wi-Fi. So, what's really going on? Because it's not a bug, it's a decision. And once you understand why Instagram does this, you're going to be furious. Stay with me, because at the end, I'm going to show you exactly what to change. So Instagram stops cutting your videos, and you'll never have to wonder why your videos look terrible again. Every platform compresses your videos. That's just the way the internet works. There's no way to stream billions of videos per day without squeezing the file size down. But here's where Instagram and TikTok completely diverge. TikTok compresses your video once at upload. What you see is what everyone else sees. Consistent, predictable, fair, right? And Instagram compresses your video dynamically, meaning it keeps adjusting the quality of your video after you post, based on how your content performs. And this isn't a conspiracy theory. Instagram's own head, Mosseri, actually admitted this publicly.
In general, we want to show the highest quality video we can when someone is watching a story or a reel or a photo, or in that case it's a photo, but still. But if something isn't watched for a long time because the vast majority of views are in the beginning, we will move to a lower quality video, and then if it's watched again a lot, then we will re-render the higher quality video. We also, if we are serving a video to someone on a slow internet connection, we'll serve a lower quality video so that it loads quickly, as opposed to giving them a spinner. So it depends. It's a pretty dynamic system, but the goal is to show people the highest quality content that we can.
He said, and I'm paraphrasing, that Instagram biases towards higher quality encoding for creators who drive more views. Let that sink in.
Can't help it, let that sink in.
If your video isn't getting views, Instagram will actively degrade the quality of that video. It will reduce the bitrate, it will drop the resolution, because they don't want to spend money on storage and computing costs on content that isn't performing. So now, your video looks bad, which makes fewer people watch it, which makes Instagram compress it even more. It's a quality death spiral. TikTok doesn't do this. Why? Because TikTok's entire algorithm is based on the idea that any video, even from a 0 follower account, can go viral. So it doesn't make sense to push small creators before their content even gets a chance. That's fair, right? If you like what I said in this video and find it insightful, give us a comment, like and subscribe. It'll help push the video out. Here's the real problem for creators. You spend hours, sometimes days, shooting, editing, color grading your content. You export a beautiful file, you upload it, and then Instagram quietly decides, based on your last video's performance, how good your new video is allowed to look. It's not just unfair, it's actually working against your growth. Because first impressions on the feed matter enormously. Viewers don't consciously think this video is compressed, but they do feel it, and the scroll keeps going. Meanwhile, a new creator account on TikTok with 0 followers gets the exact same quality treatment as someone with 10 million followers. And that's why TikTok has been so powerful for emerging creators. The playing field is actually level. So, what do you actually do about this? Step 1. On Instagram, enable upload at highest quality. It's buried in the settings, data usage. Turn it on. Keep it on. Most creators don't even know it exists. Step 2. Export correctly. Instagram handles 1080p. Export at 1080 by 1920 for Reels. H.264 codec with a bitrate of at least 3500 kilobytes per second. Anything higher gets re-encoded anyway, so optimize for their specs, not your cameras. Step 3. Post when your audience is active. This sounds unrelated, but it's not. More early views equals Instagram classifies your content as higher value equals better quality encoding maintained for longer. And step 4, the uncomfortable truth. Instagram's quality system is partially tied to your account's historical performance. The best long-term fix is consistent posting and strong early engagement. The platform rewards momentum. So, to summarize, TikTok treats quality as a baseline right for every creator. Instagram treats it as a reward for performance. And that one philosophical difference almost explains everything you've experienced. If you want more no-fluff breakdowns of how these platforms actually work behind the scenes, subscribe. I do this every week. Until the next one, cheers.